Now everything is good, guys. Everyone give the response, guys. Now good.
Yes, clear.
Okay.
Yes, good.
Okay. So shall we write the form now, guys? Product form.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, Ravi.
Okay. So now where we will write it now, guys? We are going to use what is that theme list, right? Theme list form, na?
Yes, Ravi.
So now good. So here come to our resources, come to our template, right? Template class.
Template and
Right click new and go to other, and what is that? HTML. Select the HTML new, and here what is the product? Register
Here
dot.
select a template under the web app is there.
Yes. Resources
Select.
template, right?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Now finish. Okay, guys. So here, see here, just still I'm not beautifying now. Just how, just analyze it, guys. Whenever any building is constructing now, like what is that? Other labors and what is that? Who is the constructing the building? Just they are what? uh, like they are just building the constructing the building only, right? They are not like what is that all what we are saying that they are not beautifying before. When total what building is completed, then they will start beautifying that what building na. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
we will not
Yes, very correct.
in initial time in the project, we will not focus on to beautify our pages and all those things. After then what, when our what construction, our project construction is ready, then we will start to beautifying using what bootstrap, and then like pagination we will implement in the application, pagination kind of things, as well as what Ajax concept. These concept we will implement later. First, what we will do now? First, let's construct our project now, guys. Okay, we will not focus on these areas to beautify our pages and all those things. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ravi. Yeah.
Okay, so let's focus on first. We will focus on what to constructing our what project. Later we will beautify our pages, as well as whatever extra things is there. Those things we will implement in the same application only. Now, good. Are you ready now, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Ready.
Guys, 1 minute. I want to check it. Our meeting. Who is there in the meeting, right? Okay, Raj is there. Hey, Raj, you just ping the message. You are there in the hospital now. What happened? Everything is fine, na?
Yes. Vaccination purpose. I went to hospital.
Okay, no need. Okay, if vaccination is happened, don't worry about that. Video will be there on YouTube channel, right? You can watch it. And Yachina Allurani, something is Rahi, something is new person, right? Manjula Tamayan, this
No,
person.
sir. This is Chinna Luraya.
Okay. One plus. Who is that one plus? Please rename yourself. Padma is our Pujita Raj. Okay, Randeep, this one Royal. Hey, Royal Enfield. And two-wheeler bike name is there, right? Okay, no, so Sai Kumar. Royal, please. Your name is only Royal. Just what you are showing royalty in the session also. Okay. No issue, guys. Just okay for the fun purpose. I'm taking like this name. Okay, you are already royal. What is this? Okay, so no way. Okay, H1. Take the H1, right? H1 here. What? Here I'm taking product register page. Okay, product what? Register page, right? Product register page. Good. Okay, guys. So here, what? Let's see that first workflow now. Okay, our application is working properly or not. Just what is that? We will make the request and we will see that this result is coming or not. Anything is wrong is there. If anything wrong there in the setup environment setup, then we will correctify here only. So before that, writing the our what logic now. So where we will now let's go to controller class, guys. Okay, so here what we will do now, take what first, public, take one method, public string, what is that? So register, right? So register. Now here what we will do now, return what, return what we will return it now, guys. Here what is that, our page name is now product register, right? So take the
Product
look.
register.
Product register.
Product.
Product. Yeah. Product register.
Product register now. Okay, good. So here what is that, we will specify one URL, right? At the rate what, get mapping, good.
Get mapping.
Get mapping.
Get mapping, good. So here what is that, what we will take now, here just what,
Show
Register.
register.
slash product.
Okay, so register, right? Register. So we are registering our product, right? Using what, this form. So here let's take class label also one. What is that? Sorry, URI. Okay. So
Request
what-
mapping.
Request
Request
body.
pattern.
Very
Request
good.
mapping.
Very good. Very good. Request mapping now. Here what is
Request
that?
mapping.
Slash. Let's take product one.
Product.
Okay. So now let's run our application, and what we will do now, we will see that what is that, our this product register page we are getting or not, guys. Come on, are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
Good.
Yes, Ravi.
Now come here. So HTTP 9090 product register, right? Hit it. Now we are getting, right, product register page, means our application is working perfect, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, Ravi. It
So
is.
let's what, let's do the extra work. Whatever inputs is there, let's take it, those input, right? So come to our what, product register input here. Now let's develop it. Okay. So here what is that, first what is that, here we will take XML colon one, and sorry, XML NS
XML NS.
colon TH equal to what, inside that what we will do now, come to what, theme leaf, right?
URL of theme leaf.
Yes. So what we will do now, just copy it, this URL, and come to here now, guys, and paste it, right? That's it. Okay, good. So okay, so next one is what, what we will do now, guys. Next one, we will take one form, right? Because what we are going to do now, this one, this we will take this one form now. Come on, guys, this one is one form only, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Form
sir.
only.
Okay, so come to our application now. Come to our application. Let's take what, one form, right? One form. Okay, good. Inside that what, let's here take pre tag. Okay, pre tag. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. Here what we will do now, method equal to what, post. Method equal to post now. Okay, good. So okay, good. So here what is that, come here, our product model class. Okay, so here first one is what, we will not take this input, right? We will not take this input, it will generate our application now. From here on, our product name, right? We will take what, product name. Okay, good. So come our application now, guys. Okay, so here what is that, product. Okay, just take name only, name. Another one is what, product code, right? Product code. Another one is what,
Cost.
cost.
Cost and vendor.
Product vendor.
Okay, another one is what, vendor, right?
Vendor.
Spelling
Note.
note. After then what is there now? Vendor note. No, discount and the GST we will
GST
write.
will be.
Our application will calculate. We will write the logic in the service class now, guys. Okay. So good. Okay, these inputs only, right? Okay, good. So here what we will take now, input. Okay, input
Input type
equal to
ch colon field.
Very good, very good.
Which column?
Raj, I think, right? Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
You are doing hard work, I think. Okay, because of that you remember this one. Okay, field, right? Field equal to, okay. Inside that, what we will do? Sorry, we will take the star symbol, because field we will denote with which symbol now, guys?
Read. Yeah, we read only one.
Our
field,
input.
sir.
But you
Our
know,
input.
but here no need. Okay, so here what we will do now, just remove it. Okay, just normal input. Okay, editable, in the editable form, if we are taking at the time, we will take it, guys. Okay, here we will take only name only, right? Here we will take the name only. Good. So okay, so good. So here what is
And
that?
ID.
Okay, so here name, right? Name equal to come here. Okay, so here what is that? Product name.
Fraud name. Fraud name.
Model data, right? Model data must be matched with what input. I hope the last Saturday, Sunday, the people is remembered, right? When I was explaining what theme leaf.
Yes, the name should be same. Should be
Yes,
same.
yes.
Yes, good. So here, what is that? Come here. Okay, paste it here. Another one is what? Product code is there, right? Product code is what? Again, come to our what? Model data. Here, take copy this one. Okay?
Code.
No, not
Product code.
not product code. This one for the database column, right?
P code.
This one
Yeah,
for the
P code.
our
Yes,
Java.
prod code.
Yeah, prod code. So come here, okay? So put here and come here. Here, this one I taken the wrong one. Copy this one and come here and take. Okay, so good. So here P cost, right? Paste it. So here, what is that? Come here. Product code completed, right? Product cost.
Prod cost.
Okay, good. So another one is what? Vendor, right? But vendor will be what? Drop down, right?
Drop down.
Yeah, here we will take the select. Inside that, what we will do? Yeah. Here we will,
Options.
Options.
yes, here we will take
Options.
option. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first one is empty. Now let's take select. Okay. Another one I'm taking what? Just architechnology, right? Just take any name, architechnology. Okay. So here what? Another one I'm taking what? Test, right? Here again I'm taking what? Test. Another one here, another I'm taking Oracle. ORCL, that's it. Okay. So take here what? Or ORCL. Good. So here what we will take now? Here we will take the name. Here we will take the name. Now come to our product class. What is that? Vendor, right? Copy this one. Come to our registration page now. Okay, good. So good.
Prod vendor.
Yeah, fraud vendor. Now fine. So okay, good guys. So here another one is what? Another, which one we will take now? Product name, right? This one is text area, guys. Okay. Text row and column. Let's remove it. No need here. And here what we will take now? Name it and come to our what? Model class. And what is that? Product node. Okay, good. So now our form is ready. Now here what we will take now? Input.
Button.
To submit. Maybe
Value equal to, let's create.
Save.
Create, right? Create. Spelling is correct, right? Create.
Yes, sir. Yes, correctly.
So now come to our what browser now, guys. Okay. So here, right now, refresh it. See, the form is ready now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all values are came here, right? But what will happen now? Whenever we will click on the submit button, guys. Okay. Whenever we will see
It's
now
not working.
not working. What is that? See on the browser now. We are getting what white page. What is that 405, right? Method is not allowed, right? There is no method, so how it's allow it now? So okay, so now let's develop the one method. Okay, that method will store this data in what our database, guys. Okay, this data will store in what our database now, guys. Okay, so good. So first what we will do now, so first what is that in the repository, how many people are remember that, how many people are remember that? So for that in the JPA to save the data, which method we will use it now, guys? To saving the data, what is the method was there?
Save.
Save
Save.
method.
Okay,
Save
okay, good.
save all method.
In the data JPA repository, right? In the data JPA repository, come here, where that yeah, repo, right? So here, so already this interface is there, right? This interface is there, but where we will write the logic, it's what is that in the service class, right?
In service class. Service
Yeah,
class.
in the service class, what we will do now? First, we will specify one abstract method, and we will give the logic. Its implementation class in the implementation class in the product service IMPL now, guys. Okay, guys.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So what I'm going to do now? Public. What
We
public?
have write one abstract method.
Integer, right? Integer. Save method will return what? Int value, right? Non-select operation to perform non-select operation, right? 1 or 0, we are getting the result, right? I explained already in the data JPA. Now, good. So here
Yes,
what?
he is correct.
Now here what?
Yes, sir.
Save product. Save product. I'm taking the method inside that.
Save product service.
So here what I'm taking now, product object I'm going to store it now. Okay, so now this is our what? Abstract method now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Yes, right, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where we will write its implementation class, right? Where we will write the logic now in the implementation class.
Implementation class.
Alt shift plus V, right? So we will override that what method? We will override that method. Which one is there inside that what? I product service, right?
Inside the interface.
Yes, good. Okay, so very good. So now, okay, so what is that? How we will write the method right now, guys? Okay, so how we will write the method in the logic? First, what we will do now? Okay, so what I'm going to do now? Okay, so I'm going to save that, right? So what is that product, right? So here we will take the reference of repo dot what? Repo dot
Repo dot save.
Save of P.
yeah, good.
We pass the product object.
Who's that one? I want to see everyone, right? Okay, good. Now, okay, so this one will return what? Int, right? Integer.
Integer ID equal to.
Yes, integer ID, right? ID. Okay, so good, guys. Okay, no issue. What we will do now, but before that, what is that? Directly we will get the data, right? Okay, so fine now, guys. So we will save this data, right? But what is that? First, we have to apply the GST also, right? Whenever we will save the form, right? The GST after then discount also we will apply it, right? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay, so what I'm going to do now, p dot get, right? P dot get cost, right? Whatever cost will
Cost.
come. This reference, we will take this reference now. And what is that? P dot what? Get
Cost.
product cost, right? Product cost. Cost. Good. Okay, we get it, right? I'm going to write the logic, guys. Okay, so here, what is that? Double. I'm holding the double cost. Okay, so double cost. Okay.
Full cost.
Okay. So okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now, guys. So let's write first what? Let's write what logic now. So what is that? Whatever value is there, right, guys?
GST.
In that, what is that? 0.8, right? 0.8 discount will be there. Percent discount is there. And what is the GST? 0.12, right? 0.12. This is what our GST charge will be there, right? GST charge. So what we will do now, guys? So here let's take P dot set. Set, what is that? Product. P dot what? Product set code cost is there, right? Okay.
GST.
Discount. Okay, discount. Okay, let's just set the discount. Okay, so here what is that? Cost. Okay, in the cost into, right? Cost into what is that? 0.8, right?
0.8.
08.
Yeah, so this data will calculate here, and what will happen now? In this variable will store, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir. Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So here I'm going to write what is that? GST charge also, right? P dot what? Set what is that?
Yes. Prod GST.
Prod GST. Good, very good. So here what is that? Again, cost into what is that? Cost into what?
0.12.
0.12. Very good, very good.
18.
Oh, 180 is there now. Currently GST 18, right?
Divide by 100.
18%, no GST.
18%. Okay.
Divide
Now, okay, 18% GST, right? Okay, good. So now, guys,
Yes, correct.
okay, good. So after then what? After calculating this data, right? Then what we are doing now? We are saving that product, guys. Okay. After then what we are doing now? We are saving the product. This product will store in the database. Now after then what we will do now? We will return this product. Now P dot what? P dot what? Get product ID, right? Get product
ID.
get product ID. We are returning now. We are getting we are getting, right, this product ID we are getting from this model data, and what we are doing now, we are converting it, guys. Okay, here what we are doing now. Yeah, here what we are doing now, directly I'm returning that ID here now, guys. Now our save operation is completed in save logic is completed in one service logic now. Okay, guys. So just I'm nothing is doing, just discount whatever discount I want, that percent on the product that discount I wrote, and what is that GST charge I wrote now, guys. Okay, so I'm saving that GST charge in this variable now. I'm saving that GST charge from the service class in this variable, and the discount in this variable. Set means what, guys? Setter getter. For what purpose we are using in our application now, guys? To setting the data. See, to set the data. So that's it.
setting the values and getting the data.
First, what is that? Whatever cost we will take from the end user, right? Whatever cost, right? 1 minute. Here, what I'm doing now, here cost explicitly we are putting, right? So this cost will go to our model data, model class, right? And that cost will store. And what I'm going to here, what I'm doing now, here I'm taking that cost, right? I'm taking that class in our what service class, and I'm holding that what product cost in the one variable, and here just I'm writing that logic, and I'm storing what is that? I'm storing that what data inside this variable. Set means what I'm doing now, guys, I'm setting the data in this variable, right? Because this data is not coming from what UI. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Because if we not set the data in this variable, then what is that? A null value will store in our what?
Default value came.
Yeah, default value will store in the database here, right? Here null like this. Okay, so in this
Yes.
one, discount and what product cost also will empty, na? Come on.
Yes, Bob.
Now clear?
Yes, clear.
In the cost text field, what we will get, I mean the total cost, like including GST and less discount?
No. Including GST, we will not. Here you are here talking about this area, right? You are talking about this one, right?
Yes, what we will get in this cost, I mean, we are getting the cost, and in that cost, we are including the GST multiplied it, and the discount will be deducted, right?
Yes. So see this first. By seeing this method, I think Jubi, right?
Yes.
Jubi, by seeing this method, just analyze it. Just I want to know that what is the analysis about this method? What is your analysis about this method? Just expose yourself, okay? By
We are getting the cost from the user, and on that cost, we are calculating the discount and the GST.
okay, so good. So now good. Okay, so just think about that. I'm going to give the explanation. So here, what is that cost we are getting? End user will give the right. Just think about the 20, right? Just
Yes.
just think about the one. From the here, one data will come, right? So here, what is that? Okay, so here what?
Yes.
So here in the product class, what is that? Whenever we are taking that here,
Will come from.
here we are getting one, na? Here the data is one, right?
Yes.
And after then what? We are holding that one in the cost variable. Okay, so here what is that cost equal to, right? See this cost. 1 minute.
Yeah, I got that logic, Ravi. I'm
Yes.
asking you that are we going to display the final total amount or not?
Yes, final total amount plus GST. How much a GST charge is there in the, like if we put a here, if end user,
Yeah.
if end user, see this, if end user will put here like 20, right? In the 20, based on the 20, right? In the 0.18, what is the, how much, what is you have to pay the GST, that cost will come, as well as whatever in the 20, whatever you are getting the discount, and that discount result you will get.
Yeah, I know, I got that point. Asking you that are we going to write the total calculation in that code also?
Total calculation.
Like,
Okay.
yeah, total cost. I mean the final cost.
Final cost. Okay, so okay, 1 minute, Jubi.
I got the point, I got the logic, and I got the code, but I'm asking you just a normal thing that we are giving a cost 1 rupees, and on that 1 rupees we are paying the GST, and we are also getting the discount on that amount.
Yes.
And the final amount will be like a cost plus GST less discount, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
that code we are going to include it or write it in that our application or not?
In that application will not store. Okay, our actual amount will store, as well as in the actual. Listen. In the actual amount, whatever you are paying the GST, that GST charge will come, as well as whatever your discount is there in that in that amount, that discount that discount amount will store in what, in the different what, in the different rows, right? In the rows, different rows. This logics I'm going to perform it, Jubi.
I got it. I'm just asking you. No problem. You will you carry on.
No. Just
End of the-
let. It's okay. It's okay. No issue. If any doubt is there, okay, just ask. No issue. But you know, the doubt is first. What is that? See this. What? By seeing that, you can understand what is that. I'm taking right product cost.
I got this code.
Sorry.
I got this code. I very well understand what you are writing it, and just asking you where we are going to display this final amount.
Madam, still just what is our concept going on now? Just to saving the data. Still, I'm not a final amount and all those things. I'm not giving that. Whenever we will reach on that point, I will explain it, right? Please give that freedom to me.
Okay, okay, fine. That is why I'm saying you please
Mhm.
carry on. End of the application, I will see the rest of the.
No, it's see that first you have to understand what module I'm explaining now. To saving the data, right? To saving the data based on that, what is that in the discount, what is the discount, and what is how much we have need to pay the GST. Based on that, if you are understanding the application, right? Still, I'm not giving the end user what is the actual amount we will get it, right? Whenever I will
Okay,
reach
okay.
there, I will explain that logics also, right? Don't worry about that.
Okay, okay. Now got it.
So good. Okay, so here what is that? Our what? Service, our business logic is completed now, guys. Okay, okay, our business logic is completed here, right? Come on, everyone. Sudhir, Padma, why you people are silent?
Yes, yes, Ravi, we are listening.
Yeah.
You are responding, Ravi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So okay, so now this logic you people are understanding, right? Whatever logics I
Yes,
wrote.
sir. Yeah.
Yes, yes, it's
We
clear.
got it.
Yeah,
Yes,
Sir, we
Yes,
understand.
Ravi.
Good.
please carry on.
Okay, I think Padma, some noise is happening your side. Okay, mute yourself. Good, very good. So fine now, guys. So here what? Okay, come here. In the controller, right? What we will do now? This form. Whenever we will click this the data, whenever we will click on the create button, right? This form data will go to our what controller now. Okay, so controller now. So already I explained, right? Our IOC container. What our IOC container will do now? Our IOC container will create the what one object based on this form, right? I hope everyone is remembered.
yes,
Yes,
I
we
remember
remember.
it.
But in the controller class, how we will read this what is that this object now, guys? Anyone remember it?
By using model
Model
object.
attribute
Model.
at the rate
Model
method.
attribute, model.
Yeah,
Yes. Good,
model.
good. Okay, so let's read it, guys. Okay, let's read this form data. Let's read the form data in our what controller class. Now you people are ready to read the data in the controller class now, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so but if the form data is there, which kind of request methodology we will use in our application now, guys? Come on.
Post.
Post.
Very good. Let's take one method, right? Public what? Public what? String what? Save what? Sorry, save product. Save product, right? Now here what I'm going to do now, return, just return. I'm returning what is that? This page, same page only, guys. Okay, same page only, we will see the message, right? So same page only. Okay, good. Same page only, but what is that methodology what we will take now? At the rate post
Post mapping.
Mapping.
post mapping.
Post mapping.
Inside that what I'm taking now, save, right? Inside that what I'm going to take now, save.
Save.
Okay, guys. So now good. So if we want to read the form data, so what annotation we will take here now, guys? Model
At the rate
Model
model attribute. Model attribute.
and here what product, right?
Product class name.
Product, right?
Reference name.
Good. So very good. So no. Okay. So next one is what? Next operation.
After that,
If we have need to save the data, right? So we have need to save the data inside that what? Inside that our what? Our
Service.
inside that what? Our database, right? So,
Database.
so means what? We have need to save this form in the database, right? So come here. Okay, so what is that? Come here. So here what we will do now? Already we have service, right? Service.
Yeah. Service.
service reference
And
variable.
in the service we wrote already what? One abstract method. In this, it's an abstract method implementation class. We wrote the logic also, right? Already we completed the logic also. We have need to call this method, right? And this method will perform what? Save operation, right? Come on.
Yeah. Service dot save
Yes.
product.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So come to our what? Come to our product controller now. Here what we will do now? Service dot what? Save, right? Product,
Save.
right? So here what is that? Product data is coming, right? So now we will pass that
PRD.
PRT.
Yeah, product data we will pass it now, guys. So after then what this product data, what is it will return it now, guys. What it will return it int, right? This one is this one will return what?
Product
Integer, right?
int values. Yes.
I-
Integer.
Okay, guys. So, but okay, so if we save the data, but what is that some messages also we need? Okay, then how our end user know that you okay, my data is stored in the database? We are technical
What
guys.
we
We can
Mo-
understand.
Or
Checking the
No, so what we will do now? We will convert what is that this ID in the understandable format, guys. Okay, so what we will take now? String data, right? String data equal to what I'm taking now here in the string data, right? So our what product data stored
saved.
save. Okay, save, right? Save plus ID number. What is the ID will generate that ID? Means what? That ID will come inside this int only, right? So yes.
Plus ID.
Yeah. So now fine. Okay. So okay, guys. So I want to read this data to our UIs. To our UI. So how we can expose it now, guys? Which memory we will use it now? Anyone remember it?
Model memory.
Very good.
Model memory.
Very good. Model memory, right? Now you people are getting model.
Model dot add
Model
attribute.
interface model object.
Model. Good. Very good. Good. Okay, so I want to say send this data, right? I want to send this data to our UI. So what we will do now, guys?
Model
Model dot add attribute.
Add attribute.
Add attribute.
Add attribute. Just I'm writing what MSG message here. What I'm passing this data now.
Data.
Data. Good. So now everything is completed now, guys. So but what is that? First come to our what here? Here come to our what? HTML form, right? Come to our what? HTML form, and what we will do now? We will read this data, right? So here just what I'm going to do now? Span only. Span inside that what I'm taking now? Inside that what th colon text. Text equal to what? How we will read the what? Model data, model memory data now, guys. Dollar symbol.
Dollar symbol.
Dollar
symbol. Curly braces. MSG.
Good. That's it. So now shall we run the application and we can shall we see save our data and we can see our
Action not filled. In form action not filled. Action
very good,
values.
very good, very good. Okay, good, good. Okay, good, very good. So okay, guys. So fine.
Action equal to save.
Okay. So here what we will take now? Here save, right? Here in the controller class, where the controller. Here see that no multi-level we taken, right? Multi-level we taken. What is that? First one is what? Product. After then what? Save is right? Product and save. So what we will do now? Multi-level action we taken, guys. Okay. So here what we will take now? So no, here we will take the th colon, right? Theme leaf. What is that? Th colon action. Come on, everyone. Th colon.
Yes, correct.
yes,
And what is that?
Action.
If we link our what action, then what is that? At the rate.
at the rate.
At the rate.
that you write
Yes.
here.
After then what? Product. Product.
Save
That save.
Slash save.
slash
So come to our what? Controller. What is that? Product, right? I took what is that? Product. After then save. Now fine, guys.
Yes.
sir.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so now
sir.
shall we run our application and we can see that based on that our expectation, our application is working perfect now, guys. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, Ravi.
Good. Come to here and just here, come to here now and paste it and hit the Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, product name laptop, mobile, and code, just I'm taking what, D